Welcome to the new weekly analysis with the Harmonic scanner. In this video I will show you a little bit more information about the scanner and also what is shared with the traders inside the Telegram group, where on the daily basis which bad patterns has been formed and how the current status is. If we take a look from the scanner, currently I have a gold against HKD symbol, and here it is formed on the chart several patterns. In this small window you have a possibility to show which pattern you would like to show on the chart. If you click a show button, it will show you more details. What are the take profit levels, what is potential reversal zone, what is the entry level, and what is the stop loss level. You have all of those values visible here, but you can also have a reward to risk ratio, which tells you what is currently the risk against the profit if you open the trade at this price level. Then you can close all patterns visible on the chart, and you can also show or hide the details for the specific pattern. This allows you inside the Harmonic scanner to have more details and to focus on the specific, for example, specific pattern. In not only showing you harmonic patterns, you have other patterns like a double top and also other visible, which will be shown on the chart for the next symbols. Now the next one, what you have here, it is a monitor tab where you have a little bit more details that are specific for the specific symbol or specific pattern. Here you have several filters that you can use. For example, inside the settings you can select which time frame you would like to look. And you have asset classes like forex, bond, indices, commodity, metal, and so on and so on. And below that you have which pattern you would like. So not only showing you harmonic patterns, you have a triple top, you have a range, cup and handle, triple bottom, head and shoulders, flag, and so on and so on. So when you click on those filters below inside this column, you will have, let's activate all the patterns, only the flag, and let's check on all time frames. Do we have any flag patterns formed on the chart? No, we do not have. So let's check the channel, or we have cup and handle. Do we have head and shoulders, and so on and so on. So for now we can see that we do not have cup and handle, channel and flag for current assets, and we currently have only head and shoulders formed on the chart. When you click on it, you will be shown here on the chart where it is formed. So if you would like to see how this goes, you can see here the column status, is it successful or the fail. Now if you take a look in the past, you can see how many of them were failed and how many of them were successful. So if you would like to trade them, you can also make some kind of information which one are successful and which one are failed. Now further on you have possibility to change the settings, but you have a possibility to change the security, which means which assets you would like to check. Will it be commodity, metal, will be indices, bonds, or exotic forex pairs and the major forex pairs? It depends on you. Now you have other possibilities. You can reload, you can clear the filter, you can take the screenshot, and you can go to the full screen mode. If you would like to make it a filter only to use specifics, for example gold, you can type this one here and then click enter button. You will make the filter. So you can see there is no patterns that are selected here for the gold against the US dollar. But if we take a look and select all the patterns, we'll see is there any formed on the gold, and currently we do not have any. Let's check again, is there any? If we take a look here with this filter, we can see we have on the lower time frames, which is 1 hour time frames and so on and so on, in these patterns has been formed. Now you can see which filters you can select. You can make it as you wish, which is available for any traders. Now inside notification, this is the window where you define which patterns and which time frame which symbol you would like to get on the Telegram. We have a Telegram bot that sends you information when this pattern forms, so if you receive it on the Telegram, you can simply click it and you will get back here to the chart to make the analysis and see what are the levels for that specific pattern. Inside notification, you can put also asset classes, which is Forex major and Forex minor, but if you would like to have, for example, crypto, you can simply add them here by typing here that symbol. If that symbol is available, you will see that symbol below. It will show you what is currently available. When you add that symbol to this list, it will be visible here when the pattern appears. For example, inside this settings, you can make the filters. Currently, the filter I have set, I would like to get patterns on the daily time frame and on the 4-hour time frame. I would like only to get a bad pattern, which is a bullish pattern and the bearish pattern. And I would like only to receive which is with a D point. I would not like to get the C point. If you would like to check what is the C point, feel free to check the YouTube channel, where I have explained a little bit more details about the scanner, what is what. Now, in the previous week, I have covered several symbols and the bad patterns. Inside the Telegram group, you can see that I have sent to the traders when the new bad pattern has been formed and what is the current status. Now, based on the previous week, we can see that I have checked this euro against Czech krona. You can see what is the current status. We can see that the price is stopped at this support level and it has been not changing too much from the previous week. We can see that on the chart where the price was in the previous week, so the price did not change too much. Then I have also covered this one, which is a Hong Kong 33. We can see that here where the price was trying to reach 19739. Now we can see what is the current status. The price has reached 19665. We can see it, and the price returned all the way back down. Now if we take a look here, this was the status before, which was showing that the price could return all the way back down. So I have moved the potential reversal zone around 19665. We can see that here. So the price has reached this one and returning all the way back down. Now you can see that this potential reversal zone and the take profit are slightly different, and that is because I have explained in the previous week that I have moved a little bit to be on the safe side. I have just moved these entry level, stop loss and take profit just to be in line with the technical analysis based on the support and the resistance line and this supply and demand zones. Now we can see that the price is heading towards the first take profit. Then inside the weekly analysis, I have covered also this one, which you can see more details how the price behaves. So if you would like to check more details about this Hong Kong, the bearish bad pattern, you can check the YouTube channel for the last week analysis. You will see much more details of what I have done and why I have moved these entry levels. Then below that, we can see that the price has formed this bullish bad pattern on this gold on the 4-hour time frame. We can see what has happened. We can see that, just a minute, we can see that the note I have put here, the technical analysis, shows me that I should move all levels a little bit down so the new levels are as on the image. So currently the price is at A18234. I have moved the price level to A18387. So the price has reached this potential reversal zone where the stop loss is below 18228, which means below this one. So I'm expecting that the price will try to make a reversal and go up, reaching the take profit 1, which is 186 and 187. 186 is around this one, 186 around this one, and the next one is around 187. So these are the targets for the price. So we'll see next week, will the price manage to return all the way back up, reaching the take profit 1 and 2. So for now, at least on this one, the price is behaving and following the bearish bad pattern formed on the chart. If you would like to receive the Telegram notification for the new symbols that I receive over the Telegram, just for information, I'm just covering the bearish and bullish bad pattern. Other patterns I'm not covering inside the daily analysis during the week. If you would like to share other patterns on different time frames, you can also join this Telegram channel, which is available only for the gold harmonics traders. You can join and share with me details. So if you would like to get more information to make the technical analysis from my side, feel free to share that inside the Telegram group. If you have any questions regarding the Harmonic SAP scanner, feel free to notify me and send me a message. I will be glad to answer to you. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.